So this is my collision standard example problem, and in this problem we have city police are in pursuit of a Robin Banks after his recent holdup at the Savings and the Loan. The high-speed chase is going to end at an intersection when Robin, who's the runaway, runs into or collides with the garbage truck. We know that Robin's car is going to be 2,080 kilograms. He's traveling in the north direction, and we have a velocity before the collision of 32.6 meters per second. Now the garbage truck is moving eastward before the collision, and we have his mass as 18,400 kilograms. We also know that his velocity before the collision is 12.4 meters per second. So what we want to find is we want to find the speed of the two collided cars, which become one mass, and which direction that's moving at. So to start off, we're going to want to find the momentums of both of the vehicles. And we're going to take the equation momentum equals mass times velocity. After plugging in our given values for both Robin's car and the garbage truck, we get Robin's momentum to be 67,808 kilograms meters per second. And for the garbage truck, that momentum after plugging in our given values is 228,160 kilograms meters per second. Now to find the total momentum of both of the cars, we're actually going to use the Pythagorean theorem because we know that they're intersecting at a 90-degree angle. So to find the total momentum, we're just going to want to find the hypotenuse of that. So we square both of our values of momentum for Robin's car and for the garbage truck, add them together, and take the square root of that, which gives us a momentum total of 238,022.92 kilograms meters per second. Now what we want to do is we want to manipulate the same equation to get velocity equals the total momentum over the total mass. So we're going to add our masses together, which we take the mass of Robin's car and the mass of the garbage truck and get a total of 20,480 kilograms. Now to find the velocity, we take the total momentum that we had just found by using the Pythagorean theorem divided by the total mass to get a velocity of 11.62 meters per second. And the last part of the problem wants us to find the direction that it's moving at. So we're going to come up here and we're actually going to want to find theta. So to find theta, we're going to need to use the inverse of tangent because we want to find the angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the inverse of tangent, which is opposite over adjacent, which is Robin's momentum, 67,808 kilograms meters per second, divided by the garbage truck's momentum, 228,160 kilograms meters per second. Divide them, and we find the inverse tangent of that to get 16.6 degrees north of the east direction. So that is what the direction is. They're moving 16.6 degrees north of the eastward direction at a velocity of 11.62 meters per second.